In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually earn as an affiliate with the Temu app. If you don't know anything about Temu, Temu is a platform where you can actually buy just like Amazon. So welcome once again to our YouTube channel where I teach you ways you can actually make money online. Today we'll be talking about affiliate marketing. I'll be showing you how you can actually make money through affiliate marketing with this website. Disclaimer, this is only available for those in Europe. I was able to create a video on this because I saw it has great potential and you can actually like replicate replicate it and actually get results definitely. So this is something you want to do on the side. This is not something you want to put full energy in because you really need to earn with referrals. Alright, so there are two ways, and the most effective one is you inviting referrals as well. So once you bring referrals in, you get paid. So let me walk you through the whole process. I will explain everything and how I actually did exactly mine and how it actually works. So I already signed up as an affiliate, and yes, I had to use VPN to create this video. And immediately you sign up, you get a $2. Immediately you get sign up, you get a $2. Okay. So whenever people place an order, you get a 20% commission on that order. However, this thing is a little bit tricky. There's a way they created a system where they make sure as well they make profit. It's not that easy as the whole animation and the whole popping up is coming up. All right. So for every affiliate you refer, if you refer an affiliate, if you invite an affiliate, you get $5. Now, hypothetically, or would I say normally, you should actually get paid, or you should be able to convert the $5. However, there was a system that actually created where you can't actually spend the $5, or else certain things are actually in place already. All right. So you want to watch this video to the end, understand every aspect, because I'm walking you through the exact thing you actually meet up, or would I say the exact thing you come across, and you really want to make sure you understand so you don't actually make mistake. The creation of account is very simple if you're in Europe, and if you're not in Europe and you want to do this, because you know you probably have an Europe audience with your YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, then you can actually go ahead and sign up for this. All right. And as well, you can actually do an Instagram team page talking about beauty, talking about clothing and all like that. Create a team page around that and use Temu where people actually buy stuff from you, and you get 20% commission. All right. So these are two ways you can actually earn: inviting those that will actually become an affiliate, and as well inviting people to your referral link where they actually download the app and all like that. So it's saying download reward. Whenever people download the app, you get $10. However, this is true, but there are certain things that need to be put in place as well. There are certain things the person that actually downloaded the app need to do before you can actually get paid the $10. All right, it's not free. You're not getting paid $10 immediately someone download the app. It does not work like that. All right. So now you want to stick around all the way to the end of this video. If you haven't already, kindly like this video, because I'll be sharing daily making money online tips like this one, where you can actually replicate and make money online. All right, I want you to understand how this exactly work. It's not rocket science. However, it's not just slippery where everything comes off easily. All right. So what I would do here is I'll get my affiliate link and I'll try creating an account, seeing if we'll actually get the $5 per inviting a referral, because according to them, you get $5 for inviting an affiliate. Like you get another affiliate on the board, you get $5 for that. However, your $5 doesn't convert yet. So you want to come over to this website, you want to read almost every instruction, you want to read how many benefits you can actually get, because it has a lot of benefits if you're actually serious about this. A whole lot of benefit, and you don't want to miss out on any of this stuff. So how you can actually, like, if you want to get percentage on different products, all you just have to do is go to the pick item section. Just pick any item you want to actually become an affiliate for, or you want to promote specifically. Maybe you have a clothing brand and there's a particular cloth that was actually listed and you want commission on that cloth, something like that. Or let's say you have a clothing team page, something like that. Yeah. So you actually click on the get 10%, something like that. I'll show you in a bit, but I want you to understand something. Temu is actually very good, and they only pay through PayPal. Temu only accepts PayPal, no any other payment option for now. Maybe they will actually add later in the future However, as I'm creating this video, they don't have. You want to click on the earn up to $10.33, then you actually get your own special link to actually promote the drone. So this is more of like the Amazon does this, the Amazon affiliate program does this as well, where you get a percentage for every product you actually sell within a time frame. So I think with Amazon it's 24 hours, or I'm not too certain, but within that time frame of cookie, within that time frame you spent on the Amazon website, you get paid. So this is more like it, but I don't think there's no limit to this one. If you click on share text, you get the image, you get you get all the graphics you need to actually do the marketing. So with the affiliate on special product, it's very easy. You just have to click on the pick item. That's all. Very easy. So per new user download and per new user order, so you get commission every time. Like it's like a double win. So you can download the images if you need to. Maybe you need those images that are catchy and you want to use for the marketing, definitely. So these are very effective ways you can actually set these things up. I will explain in a bit. However, I want to walk you through the whole process. So go over to the affiliate section. You see we're having just $2. Go over to the invite affiliate section. Now you see I have $5 on hold here, and here is why. I created an account just to see how it works. I created an account using this account affiliate link, and we have $5 on hold. And the reason why I can't get that $5, I'll explain that to you as well. So there's different stages in the affiliate section, and they're not just giving money to affiliate, they're actually bringing more affiliates in. They want those affiliates that you bring in to actually put in work as well. So this is not something you can just go on about and thinking, yeah, you just have to bring someone in, because this is actually a business. You need to put in value to actually get something valuable as well. All right. Now, the reason why this is on hold, let me explain, is because they created a system. If you go over to the Temu website and you read through their guides, you see where they are explained fully well. You have to make sure the affiliate you brought in also brings in a customer and a person buys something. If the person does not buy anything, your $5 that is in pending would never convert, and it has an expiring date of 59 days, which is 60. That's 2 months. So within 2 months, if your the affiliate you brought in and all like that, cannot convert, cannot bring in customers to actually buy, then your $5 on hold disappears. And maybe after 2 months, if your affiliate later gets commission from user that actually bought with the affiliate link, you're not getting the $5. You understand now? So this is how this works. This is how it has been set up. All right. This is just initially, this is a rough video screen recording, seeing how the whole process works. All right. However, I just have to make this video because I know definitely it works. All right. But it only works when you actually know the rules. Don't think you're just getting a whole bunch of free money from this app. No, you need to put in the work. You need to set up a system in place. All right. Now, here's a system I'll share with you. You want to create a TikTok account, and you want to try get the TikTok account to 1K followers. All right. After getting 1K followers, you can actually add link. Now, the link you'll be adding now is your affiliate link to Temu. There's a massive % discount on almost every product on Temu, and this is a very big leverage for those that actually want to save in some money and get quality product as well. Because if you go over to TikTok and you actually search for Temu, you see a lot of people making reviews about the product they've actually bought. You can actually recreate this video and maybe put the video in the background yourself on the upper side, like as an overlay. If you're a video editor, you understand what I'm saying. Then recreate those videos as much as possible. Then you actually get traction on your page. You get visitors on your page. Then you start getting visitors on your link, and those people start buying. You get 20% commission on every sales made. All right. So this is me when I was creating an account, trying to see if I will actually get any commission. All right, and which we did. You saw the $5 on hold earlier, and this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. This is not rocket science. You just have to be a little bit techy, because I don't walk you through the whole process of the account creation and the whole claiming of the $2. Well, the claiming of the $2 was actually very easy. There was no special skill required in that. So the only special skill required here is just consistency. Consistency is a key, is a skill. You need to build it. This is me creating the account. This is them giving me the $2, and this is them doing a brief explanation on what you get. All right. So I already have my affiliate link as well. First year to get $5. These are all catchy designs to actually make you earn more. So in this scene, Temu is a little bit more desperate on payout, and you just need a minimum of $20 to actually get paid. Also, you $20, you get paid definitely. So think about it this way: if you have another audience about maybe 1,000, and you know definitely these 1,000 people, about 10 people actually get from you, or let's say 10 people actually buy something from you among 1,000. I'm using the very, very bare minimum percentage, right? Knowing this, you can register for Temu. Make sure this person probably have big spenders, or probably do the groceries every week, or maybe they change clothes every week or every month, something like that. Sending your Temu link, they do the shopping, you get a 20% off everything they actually bought. So there's something crazy Temu does when I was actually checking it through my own phone, seeing how it actually works on device. It is something crazy. So they did it an 100% off. I'll show you later in this video. I'll explain everything to you. But we want to understand something really, really crazy, or something really, really cool about Temu. They have the best offer right now. This is something you actually want to get into. This is something you actually want to build. I can actually create a video on marketing using TikTok and actually explain to you how you can actually do it yourself. And if you want this video recreated, then kindly reach out to me. This is the on hold section where I was actually explaining earlier. You want to read this through. If you do not get sales within 59 days, within 60 days, literally, your $5 is not converting, no matter how much affiliate you actually brought in, and they don't actually get sales within 60 days, which is a lot of time if you're actually being logical and if you have been serious about this. Each affiliate you actually bring in have to be someone that is serious to actually market Temu itself and make sure Temu actually gets new customer that actually makes an order. All right. When I walk you through this process on my device, when I walk you through this process on how I actually downloaded the app and all like that, you see exclusive offer Temu is actually offering. So if you're not even maybe interested in the whole affiliate store and you actually want to get something at massive discount, yes, I'm promoting Temu now because it has exclusive features on the discount aspect. If you want to get your whatever it is you actually want to get, I said this thing is actually similar to Amazon. You can actually use my affiliate link. I'll leave it down in the description down below, and you can use it and get your 20% off. Amazing percent discount. You actually get your 100% off as well on 5 product. Then you get 50% off on 7 product as well, which is extremely cool if I'm being honest with you. All right. So all you have to do if you want to be an affiliate to this thing is to just go to, like I said earlier, this only works for those in Europe. All right, this only works for those in Europe. Maybe you're from Africa or like that. I'm not too certain. As for me, it was not working. I had to use VPN to actually access this website. So this is me copying the affiliate link and pasting it here and trying to see how it works. I think I was redirected directly because I did had an account on this Google account. Yeah, so that's not too much talk. I just want you to know how this works, and I did just explain that. So in this section, I did a little bit more of just checking it out, seeing how every other stuff works aside from the whole stuff I've actually explained. And I realized there's nothing really much. There's nothing really much to actually explain, and everything was actually cool, and everything was something that you can actually replicate. All right, so let me take you to the section where I use my phone to download it and all like that. Before we actually get to that section, if you look at this carefully, there's a special reward they actually give TikTok as with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, YouTubers from 1,000 to 10,000 followers as well, Instagram users to 1,000 to 10,000 followers. There's a special reward given to them. So if you have this kind of audience and you use my referral link, definitely you get this special reward. Optimal, very optimal. So there's really nothing much. Let me get you into the app, the whole downloading stage and all like that. So what I did was I got the affiliate link and I just had to type it. It's not something that is very hard. So I just had to type it on my phone using the Google Chrome definitely, and it actually redirected me to Google. So the thing is, this is not the affiliate program is not available in Europe. However, the app itself, if you actually want to use as buying, is very available worldwide. You can buy from anywhere in the world. There's no restriction. The only restriction there is you don't have access to the affiliate program because you are not in Europe. If you are in Europe, you have access to the affiliate program as well. Okay, so here you are in my phone now, and here is me typing my affiliate link on my phone and seeing where it takes me. So without being said, I was redirected, and it was a little bit beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. So this is what I was talking about earlier, the 100% off. So you get this spin. This is how exactly to look like if you're actually coming in as someone that wants to buy or someone that wants to get the 20% off or 100% off, whatever it is. All right. And in most cases, this will just repeat itself on your end. In most cases, you see this crazy shit, yeah. It will repeat itself in most cases like this. So you've got 100% off for 3 items, just 3. Then you have to pick. All right, you have to pick, and before that, you have to download the app. Now, in this scene, this is where you get the $10 for the downloading of the app. This is where you get the $10, but not just yet until I actually make a purchase. If I did make a purchase on the actual order I made, or actual order I actually added to cart and on the app, right? I would have actually gotten 10% as an affiliate. I would have gotten $10 rather as an affiliate, and also get 20% off 20% of what was actually bought using my affiliate link. All right, so this is a very, very cool and unique strategy to actually make money online. Sorry, the app download is actually taking long. I've got a very, very bad network. However, immediately I downloaded the app, finish, I proceeded to opening the app and continue with the request. So it's saying processing your discount. Exactly, I got the discount. We got the 100% off for 3 products. I did random pickings because definitely I want to be certain if what I'm actually explaining to you works. I want to certain how it actually works, so you know exactly what you're actually going to meet, not some random thing where you don't know what to do next. So listen, you pick 3 products, yeah, 100% off, definitely 100% off. However, here's what I was telling you earlier, that they have a special way they actually make money before they actually give you $10 and before they actually give you the 20% of whatever it is that the user actually got. All right. So after picking 10 products, it took me about a little bit of time because my network and also some things were fucking it up. However, at the end of the day, I was able to do that, and let's just keep right to the aspect where I was actually giving 50% off picking 7 products. So after picking all 3, you would see this pop up and you will see the extra discount for you. Now, probably should actually get to the 15 or 35% off for you. However, it got to 50 for me, which in most cases it will replicate itself on your end. All right. So you just have to stop the spinning, and you have to get 7. You have to get 50 product at 50% off, which is a big discount as well, if I'm being honest with you. So this is a so I recorded this on Wednesday, so that's a Wednesday bonus. And I did the picking as well. I replicated the same thing I did for the 100% off, which was actually indicating down below. Just picked random stuff, picked, and I picked 7. Now, until I actually make a purchase on this end, I'm not getting paid on my affiliate section. Uh, until your customer make a purchase on this end, you're not earning anything on the app download. You're not earning anything on the 20% commission, definitely. So it's the percentage, they're taking percentage out of the 50% you're actually like paying for, exactly, which makes sense because it's a business. They want to make money, you as well want to make money, so you just want to make sure you're promoting to hungry audience that really wants to buy. All right, peace and love, guys, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting daily making money online tips you can actually replicate and make decent amount of money. Peace and love.